Hi guys, welcome back to my channel here on Latina Plants. My name is Jackie. Today I have some happy plant mail to share with you guys. I kind of almost went into it and I decided I wanted to open it with you guys. So let's go ahead and open this package. So I've erased our addresses and I took all the tape off, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this box. And this box actually came from Mona. She's here on YouTube, Plant Therapy. Go ahead and check her out if you haven't seen her videos yet. We do exchanges all the time. So she put some bubble mailer in there. Oh, and she used insulation. I didn't use any insulation, Mona. But, yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I might need some scissors. And just peel it off. She did say she sent me a little something extra. I forget who she said it was from, but I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I'm excited. Okay, first thing here. Oh, this is the extra. It's called Lacunosa Asami. It's in this little container. And some moss. Oh, this is cute. Did she send me? She sent me 2 cuttings. Like, oh my gosh, you guys. You have to see how pretty these leaves are. Look at how pretty. And don't mind the black on my fingertip. That was from dyeing my hair today. And there's 2 cuttings in here. I didn't even put anything extra this time in your package. But I hope you like what I sent you anyways. So here's the cup. Okay, so she put some fluff on the top of the cup and put the cuttings in a cup with moss. Some sphagnum moss. I'm gonna like spill this on the table to get them out just because I don't want to break anything. So if you hear anything on the background, it's my husband or my son. Look at this one, you guys, with the outer variegation. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna put these like directly in Fluval today. I believe this one here is the Hushkiliana, the regular, the green version. Super pretty. Mona, this is so nice. I really appreciate this. I asked her for a cutting of these because I saw how beautiful these were in her video. And it's a Discidia, I believe. And it's a million hearts, I think it's called. It's so pretty. She gave me 2 strands of this, you guys. I'm so excited to get this rooted and growing. I'm gonna cut them up probably so I could get a fuller plant. But she gave me 2 strands, you guys, of this plant. And it looks beautiful. Hopefully you guys can see it well. I'm so excited for these new little babies. I've been trying not to buy plants, although I have to say, little spoiler alert, I did buy some plants even though I wasn't going to. I bought some plants and I'll share them with you guys on another video. And then she gave me, wow, Mona, this is a really nice cutting. And they're so firm, these leaves, and healthy feeling. I can't wait. I'm sure they're going to root up just fast. Look at how pretty this plant is, you guys. How can you not want this plant? This is the inner variegated Hushkiliana. I can't say that word correctly, that name, but these are beautiful. Just like she says, you always want to make sure that your plants are well watered before you cut them to propagate or sell any cuttings or anything like that, or share cuttings with anybody. You want to make sure that your plants have been watered before you go cutting them up. I'm so excited about this, you guys. I can't wait to put these guys in Fluval and get them rooted. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to include that in this video. So I'm going to pause you guys and I'm going to be right back with all the things that I need to propagate these. Alright you guys, I'm back. I have a paper towel to clean up my little snippers here that I use. I love these, you guys. They're actually like crafting scissors, but they're Tim Holtz crafting scissors that I use. And I use these for all of my cuttings. And then I have a little spray bottle. This is actually alcohol, peroxide, neem oil, and just water mixed. This is what I use to treat all my plants as well. Anyways, I got my little cups, my rooting hormone powder that I use for all of my cuts, and then my fluval. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and pour some in a cup. So I have about 6 little cups. I'm going to cut these as well to propagate them. I think I need to bring you down closer or angle you a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, now that I have all my fluval in there, I'm going to go ahead and cut this one into 2. And I'm going to dip them in my rooting hormone powder. And we'll put them right in. And after we're all done, I'll add the water. And I think this is the same plant because this little leaf looks kind of like this one. So I'm going to just pot these two together. And since these are so small or so young, these little leaves here are so young, I'm not going to cut it. I'm actually just going to dip it and put it in the fluval. I don't know if they're the same plant, but I will ask Mona, and if they are the same plant, these two here, that came in the same container, then I'll leave them together. If they're not the same plant, then I will eventually separate them. But for now, they can stay together. And I'm going to take the little label that was on here. And I'm going to put it on the cup. Okay, and the next one is the green Hushkiliana. This one here. I'm going to do just 2 cuts on this one. Once she grows out some more, I can cut her some more. The next one is going to be the inner variegated Hushkiliana. I'm sorry, guys, my son is video gaming. I don't want to cut any of these leaves off, so I think I'm going to do just 1 cut right in half. That should give me enough stem for each cutting. And when she grows a little bigger, I'll continue to cut her. But I don't want to cut her up too much. I might have to get some pins for these. I don't want to cut the leaves off. I'll just get some pins. I don't know if something will happen to the leaves if they're in the fluval a little bit. Okay, I'm going to add some more fluval to the top of this one. Should I just pull the leaves off, you guys? I don't want to. Alright, I'm going to have to. I don't want to. I don't want to, Mona. Because they're just not going to sit well unless I get rid of the leaves. Poor leaves. Ah, beautiful leaves. I wonder if you could propagate these by leaves. Okay, so I just made sure the nodes are buried enough on that one. So now we're going to move on to the Discidia. Okay, since there's some leaves missing on this one here, I'm just going to snip right above that and put that in the pool. And I think I want to put this whole piece in. And this one I want to cut up as well. Trying to figure out which one's the growing stem. I believe this is the growing end up here. So I'm going to cut this one in half. And then I'm going to pull off some bottom leaves. I think one set of leaves is okay to pull off. I think these are like Hoyas, right? I don't know if they root along the stem or not. Put some of that hormone on there, on the tips. And then snip these. So I believe these are my early birthday presents from Mona. Thank you so much, Mona. I appreciate it. My birthday is in the month of March. And what better present than some new plant babies? I'm so excited to watch these grow. I'm going to put them in a humidity dome or jar that I have. That I got from Target's Dollar Spot, that I put the other cuttings in, and they did so well rooting up. They're actually out of the humidity dome, so I can use it now for some new cuttings. I'm super excited. I can't stop looking at them, you guys. Thank you so much, Mona. I really appreciate it. I'll check you guys out on my next video. If you haven't checked out Mona's channel, please go ahead and check her out on plant therapy. She's an amazing person. She has amazing content, and I think you guys should really head on over to her channel and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like to see videos like this. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Click on that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you can. And I'll check you guys out on my next video. Thank you for all the love and support. Bye.